So, last weekend I was house sitting for my grandparents while they were off to some ballroom dancing cruise or something equally adorable. Their cat, Whiskers, a rotund tabby with a penchant for lounging, was my only companion. Things took a peculiar turn when I caught Whiskers prying open the fridge with his paw and extracting a can of tuna like he was some feline Houdini. Inspired, and perhaps a little bored, I decided to host an impromptu cooking competition, Tom vs. Whiskers. Armed with my smartphone, I documented the culinary showdown. I whipped up a quick pasta, while Whiskers, to my utter disbelief, crafted a tuna tartare that would make Gordon Ramsay raise an eyebrow. It was when I found myself passionately critiquing Whiskers' dish, lacking in seasoning, but the texture is impeccable, that I realized the absurdity of the situation. As Whiskers smugly licked his paw,